Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a Honda mower here. I want to show you a quick trick here to speed up the RPMs to the proper settings. So these mowers should rev at about 3200 to 3500 or 3600, within that range. But what often happens is over time the RPMs slowly decrease, people don't notice, and the engine's just not revving as quick as it should. So if that happens, you'll lose a bit of power. So what I'll do here is, with my tach here, I will read the RPMs. You'll see they're probably below 3200. And then after I show you the adjustments, you'll see they'll be where they should be. Okay, the throttle is wide open. Let's check the RPM. Way below where it should be. Now the quick fix for this is you just go down here behind the fuel valve, and what you want to do is grab the governor spring right here. It's in this hole here. You want to put it in this hole, and it's going to put more tension on that spring, thus increasing your RPMs. So all you got to do, like I said, right in the second hole, have a look here. Now if you put it in the second hole and it still won't rev high enough, all you have to do is kind of bend the spring a bit right here and it'll tighten it up. But usually just doing this fixes the problem. So what I'll do now is start it up again, and you're going to see on the tach here that it's going to be over 3000 RPMs. So you saw the reading on the tach here, 32 to 3300. That's perfect. That's all you got to do, guys. You're going to notice there's way more power. If you have this specific lawnmower here with those extra revs, when you engage the deck, it's going to have a lot more power. The engine won't fluctuate as much when you do that. Now, this will be the same on all Honda engines on lawnmowers, and even the generic lawnmower engines that you buy, like Cub Cadet and all those. They have a similar setup. It's going to be different than the Honda, but the trick here is to put more pressure on that governor spring and it'll make it rev higher. Make sure you don't over rev your engine above 3600. Keep it between 32 and 3600. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.